Home repairs and modifications help seniors live in their homes for as long as possible. Seniors with low income will afford this kind of home repair expense. The good news is that there are many financial assistance programs available. Area Agency on Aging. Contact the county's Area Agency on Aging to find out about home modification and repair funds provided by the Older Americans Act. Grants may also be available through other local government programs. Check with the city or county housing or community development department. Rebuilding Together. Rebuilding Together is a national nonprofit organization that helps with repairs and home modifications to promote health, safety, and independence. Public Housing Capital Fund. The Public Housing Capital Fund is sponsored by the Department of Housing and Urban Development. Grants are used to fund the building of new public housing units and the refurbishment and repair of existing housing structures. The funds also cover improvements in management. On the other hand, grant monies cannot be used to make luxurious modifications to dwelling buildings. Medicaid home and community-based services. Many states have Medicaid waivers that provide financial assistance for home renovations to help elders stay in their homes and live independently. State-by-state qualifying requirements and perks may vary. Contact the Medicaid office for further information. USDA Housing Repair Loans and Grants. The United States Department of Agriculture (USDA) also has a great assistance program. If you're a senior that gets little to no income and desperately needs home repairs, this program is something to look into it. The maximum grant is $7,500, but it helps get some hazards out of your home and aids in keeping your home safe. The program also provides low-interest loans of up to $20,000. For more information, you can visit our website. Link in the description below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.